Yep, turpentine. Let's see when the
Turpentine.
turpentine.
Oh no, when I
Oh, it's a clean fork.
That's her.
She was cutting it off. Good.
Yep.
He never benched her like that, no Kurt. George didn't. He just give her the smack. Like he tightened and did it that quick. George feel that? George is stronger than me.
Yeah.
Just feel there.
Blunt, yeah.
Yes, but he had the knack, I guess. Something we ain't got yet. Well, he was doing them all from that side too. He was. He'd go left hand or right or whatever. Wade Gould told us, Wade Gould from Portsmouth, told us that he takes it half his teeth and only puts in half set.
Yeah.
And he says she size twice as good, twice fast.
Good.
Wayne, show me how you put. Okay, you took one over that slat.
Over that
That's how
slat.
you do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Follow and
It's slat there, right?
Yeah.
Hauls me and set that. Like Kurt said, he gotta go
Yeah.
right. Said
You gotta go right.
You gotta go right. He
if
saw
he's
it.
in the slat, you gotta go right. You can't go. That's an easy one. Say cut on camera. I'll delete that one. I need to get some gear for a mower here. This is what I thought. Oh, Kurt, she was burning through it. Come on, didn't they blow? Well, we're going to get them all done. Have another spare set there. Huh? We're going to get them all done and have a spare set there. You got a little size or? We'll be starting commercially cutting tomorrow. Now when we get some new teeth. Last one, boy.
You take that one out of you. Take you out of you.
What was that?
Looks like he's too over. Where's that one? Oh, it's this time. Over there, take you.
Just tap, just see
No,
what
no,
happens.
no, no, take it out. Don't tap. Just take it out again. What was that? This one here. You know, not too bad.